Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we just did this really cute client tutorial. I had a group of clients and they had a special event tonight. First of all, let me thank Lindsay for the connect. Thank you so much, babe. This was the most beautiful, bubbly, and fun and spontaneous group. Like, I literally had so much fun, and I'm just so thankful that I am blessed to be able to be around just all different types of people, because I literally felt like I was at a party, except, I'm helping them get ready. But I just love coming into new environments and meeting new people, because you just never know who you're going to come across, what can you learn from someone, what that person can learn from you, and just seeing different types of people. I just love it so much. And this was such a beautiful group of young ladies. They got super glam. All their outfits were so cute, and we kept looks pretty neutral, but they were still very glam. They didn't need just too much makeup. We did use a lot of products, but I still felt like I just, enhanced their natural beauty. We did focus on everyone's eyes, and some of them did daring lips. But overall, it was just a beautiful day. And we started filming when the sun was out. And of course, towards the end of the video, the sun was gone. So just excuse the lighting in this video. We were on a time schedule. So I'm sorry if my hoodie was in the way or if I was in the way. But I was like in hustle mode. I'm like, okay, I got to get these babes out. They got somewhere to be tonight. They got to go. And I will mention also that my last client in this video, we did do a correction for her foundation. She originally just wasn't going to get her full face done, just eyes only, but we ended up doing the full face. Her foundation was a little too light, but we did correct it. And that is just kind of a common mistake that we all make, even myself. I'm someone who, I don't really have a lot of foundations that just match me perfectly. So majority of the time, I either have to mix another shade or bring it down my neck. But I do give her kudos, because she did bring the foundation down her neck, and she did the right thing, because I actually don't see a lot of women do that. So, just give credit where it's due. But yeah, you guys, if you are looking for a foundation match, I always recommend to try to match your neck or your chest area, or you could even compare it to your hand. And of course, we tan, we get lighter, we tan, we get lighter. I have a foundation shade that I wear for the winter, the summer, or it just really depends on what my skin is doing that day. But that is a great tip for you guys. But yeah, just comment down below if you want me to list any particular products that I used in this video. Also, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you will be notified for my next tutorial. But thank you all again for watching this tutorial. I pray that you guys enjoy this, and I give God all the glory and the honor and the praise for everything that I have. I'm just so blessed, and just going over this video and watching this, it just makes me go back to that day and just think about all the interactions that I get to have with my clients. My business could not be anything without you all. Like, God puts you all in my life, and I'm just so thankful. I love meeting women and getting to interact with them and just coming into their world and just talking. It's more than the makeup. Like, I'm not someone where I'll just sit down and I'm not going to talk to you. I never know. I may never see you again, or I may become a part of your family, and we're just creating, all these beautiful memories. And I just say, God, talk to me. Tell me what to say to my clients. Tell me how to move, or whatever it is, because you just never know what someone may be going through at the end of the day, and how big of an impact that you can make just by being yourself and, just interacting with someone. So I just really am so thankful, and I'm so grateful. And yeah, okay, I'm getting too mushy-gushy, you guys. And my voice sounds hoarse, but it's not. I've been meaning to push this video out, but okay. I'm about to go. So I love you guys so much, and have a great night. Bye.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on